Today I'm going to show you how to use the countdown timer feature on your Casio Illuminator watch. This is module QW3502. First thing we need to do is press the mode button. It's the bottom left button. We're going to press it 2 times to get to our timer mode. It's really pretty simple once you get in here. You basically have your start button, which is your bottom right button. That will begin your countdown timer. You don't have to stay in the countdown timer mode, so you can go to any other mode you want to, and that countdown timer will be running in the background. You can see it's been running this whole time. When you're ready to pause or stop it, you're going to press the bottom right button again. If you wanted to resume, you would press it again. While it is stopped, if you want to reset it back to your default value, you're going to press the top left button. And now I'm reset back to my default value. What if you don't like this default value here? If you wanted to change that while you're on the timer mode and it is not running, you're going to press and hold the top left button. You'll notice that your hour indicator starts blinking. Now if you leave it at 0, you won't have any hours. You can use the bottom right button and you can change that. The max value you could do is 23 hours. You cannot move up on this watch. You have to use the bottom right button. Set it to whatever value you want to. Once you have your hour value set, you're going to press the mode button. It'll take you to your minute value. And again, you can adjust your minute to whatever value you would like. The only other thing to mention is while you're in this setting, right now we have a 30-minute timer default set. When that timer ends, it will just beep and it will stop. If you wanted to repeat it while you're in there, you're going to press and hold the light button. You'll notice this little indicator shows down here at the bottom. That's basically showing that the timer will repeat. So if you leave that setting on after your 30 minutes in this example, the timer will beep and then it will automatically start another 30-minute timer. So that's just an optional feature. If you don't want that, simply press the top right button, your light button, and turn it off. Once you've got it set the way you want, you're simply going to press the adjust button and you've successfully changed your default timer value. So now, if I start my timer, it'll start from 30 minutes. And then when I reset it, instead of it going to 10 minutes like I previously had, it'll do 30 minutes as my default. Really simple stuff. As always, once you're done, you can press the mode button, get you back to your timekeeping, or you can always press and hold the mode button, and that will take you back to your timekeeping mode. That's a look at how to use the countdown timer on the 3502 Casio Illuminator watch. I hope the video helped.